Yo, another video. Hey, my name is Rice. This is a channel where we talk about Bitcoin and other things surrounding the cryptocurrency space. So, just want to talk to you guys really quick. If you haven't heard already, you will hear about this. So, in the middle of the night, Tony Stark, aka Elon Musk, decided to tweet out, in retrospect, it was inevitable. And he's referring to Bitcoin. And along with that, in the middle of the night, I think it was like 4 a.m. last night, he also put hashtag Bitcoin in his bio on Twitter. So that's the first thing you're going to see when you go to Twitter and you're looking at Elon Musk's profile. So let's just dive into this and see how that's going to affect the crypto space, the Bitcoin space, and why did he do it at the timing that he did it? Because that plays a huge role too. So just starting off, this comes the day after the whole Wall Street bets versus the Wall Street debacle. So, right, if you guys don't know, if you haven't heard, right now Wall Street is in a complete disarray because there was a group of people on Twitter and a group of people on Reddit. They banded together and decided to run up the price of basically dying stocks or stocks that were being shorted or short called. And when stocks are shorted or short called, it's like a red flag to the market that basically these stocks are dying. So everyone starts to sell. That business, if it hasn't gone out of business, is on its way out. And that sucks. And I hate it. It's kind of disgusting because usually a lot of hedge funds or big businesses, they'll swoop in, buy those businesses that are dying or died because they essentially just threw red flags all over it by shorting it. And then they'll buy it, change the name, maybe switch the CEO out and put it back on the market, then it opens back up on the market as something completely different. And they profit off the pain of the people who just lost everything with that business going down like that. So in short, Elon absolutely hates short sellers. So the reason why he hates short sellers is because when he was building up his company Tesla, the electrical vehicle company, he went through hell with short sellers, always trying to short sell his company. And there's even a group of people dedicated to short selling Tesla called Tesla Q. And he hates those guys too, but he hates all short sellers with a passion. He thinks that that's like a way of rigging the system, and it is. And he just thinks it's disgusting. So it was almost like a middle finger by him doing this in the middle of the night because they couldn't have saw this coming. Anybody that was shorting it, they're getting liquidated right now. I believe I just looked, and at the current right now, I think they lost like $588 million from being liquidated because of this move that Elon just pulled off in the middle of the night. So it's like a big middle finger to all the hedge funders and the short sellers trying to short Bitcoin. You just got screwed thanks to Elon Musk. But anyway, getting back on topic. So this isn't new. Elon's been dealing with digital currency since like the early 2000s. He actually co-founded X.com, which later became PayPal.com. So he knows all about borderless transactions and digital currency. He's been teasing and trolling us forever. And I remember he tweeted not too long ago. It was a picture of a guy like praying and looking in the opposite direction, and then there's like a girl beside him with a dress up, and it's a Bitcoin symbol. And this is Elon basically tweeting out like, "Why are you guys trying to distract me? I'm just trying to be productive." And then also on Twitter, he had an open conversation with Michael Saylor, who's a heavy hitter in this crypto space, and I've made a video about him also. And they were basically talking, and Michael asked Elon like, "Hey, wouldn't you want to do your investors a $1 billion favor and put Bitcoin on your balance sheet?" Talking about Tesla. And Elon responds, "Is a transaction of that magnitude even possible?" And Michael Saylor goes, "Yes, I've purchased over $1 billion worth of Bitcoin in the past few months. I can share my playbook with you and offline." And that's funny because on the 3rd and the 4th of February, he's having this Bitcoin for Corporations event. And I'm pretty sure, I got a gut feeling that Elon's going to be there. He may not be there like showing his face, but he's going to be in the shadows for this event, especially with this move he just pulled. So, like I said, it comes in, Elon did this in the middle of the night. I think it was like 4 a.m. So all the guys who had those short calls on Bitcoin just were obliterated or destroyed. They just lost everything. They're going to keep losing it as the price goes up. So yeah, this is damn near perfect timing for Elon. I'm smiling because I've been waiting for him to say something or get involved with Bitcoin some way or another. I didn't think he was going to do it at least until like either at the event or after the event and on the 3rd and 4th of February. But yeah, he just pulled the trigger on the bigwigs out the blue in the middle of the night. And also something that sparked my interest was that he sold all of his homes in California and moved to Texas. Now, what's funny about that is his co-founder of X.com, Peter Thiel, I believe was his name. He's funding a buildup of mining factories in Texas. So it's all coming together. Right after the Wall Street bets versus Wall Street happened, then he tweets out GameStop because of the pump of the GameStop stock. Then in the middle of the night, he decides he's gun-ho for Bitcoin. So Elon, man, as smart as he is, as bright as his mind is, he knows exactly what he's doing. This is perfect timing from him. He knows, like, he has a cult, a super cult following of people who hang on his every word and action. So, man, I'm happy that he finally decided to join the party. This is only going to be great for Bitcoin and anyone else who was on the fence about joining. Because now, if you're a follower of Elon and you see he's involved with Bitcoin, those guys are going to get involved just because he's saying something about it or mentioning it. And I'm all cool with that. As long as he's bringing awareness to it, I mean, who cares? But, yeah. So, like I said, I think this is going to be huge. Like, Bitcoin was already kind of, it was down at 29K, and then I think it started to slowly trickle back up, and it was hovering around the 31 to 32K range for the past few weeks. So Elon doing this just gave us the super push or boost that we needed over in this community. So yeah, and it's only going to go up from here. This is just this beginning of it. I didn't expect this to come this early. Like I said, I was expecting this kind of boost or mention in like February after the event, but hey, I guess Elon couldn't wait, or he just saw what was going on with the Wall Street bets event, and he just wanted to be a part of that. But yeah. I'll keep making these videos for you guys, and this is like a super exciting time to be in crypto and the financial world in general. It's just something new every day, every minute, every hour. And like I said, I'm gonna keep making these videos for you guys. Be safe out there. I'll hit you up later.